Welcome, here I've got Motorola Edge 20 Lite and let me show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button to open the camera settings. Now let's tap to capture settings category, and here we can find the leveler option. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on. When we move back to the camera, we get access to this line at the center of the preview. This is useful when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we need to take straight picture. And as you can see, this is how it works. When we have orange line, we can be sure that device is holding or standing steady. And of course, when we don't need it, we have to move back to the right corner settings, then capture category, tap to the leveler from the right to turn it off, and for now, in the preview it has gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.